This is our first annual BlingFest 2023 here in Charlotte, North Carolina with Eve and the Baby's Booty and all of the wonderful influences that we have.
BlingFest 2023 was a huge success. What is BlingFest, you ask? It's where passion meets sparkle, and our community of blingers comes together for a weekend of pure joy and fellowship.
It feels great to go from just learning and getting things together to actually progressing to building a community of people who love to do rhinestones as well, to for ourselves personally now even selling rhinestones and rhinestone supplies. So it's turned into actually a pretty big deal, and we're super excited about it.
BlingFest isn't just an event. It's a celebration of creativity, friendship, and the extraordinary world of rhinestones.
To go from this is not it and then pushing that craft to the side to embroidery, pushing that to the side. It's so many different things that she loves to do. This is her calling. This is her calling. And again, like you asked for, seeing that progression is amazing. Amazing.
Our Bling community is more than just enthusiasts. It's a family brought together by a shared love for adding that extra touch of glamour to every stitch.
I am from Florida, but I live in Augusta, Georgia. Okay, so I am here to support Miss Eve because she is a great content creator, great businesswoman, just here for support. And to bling all the things.
BlingFest is also an opportunity to learn and grow. Our workshops and demonstrations brings everyone together to share tips, tricks, and techniques to elevate the art of rhinestone embellishment. We believe in pushing the boundaries of creativity and ensuring that every blinger leaves with a piece that truly reflects their unique style.
And welcome to
Make sure to follow us on all social media at The Baby's Booty. See you soon!